words really shape our thoughts and beliefs. And if they're not quite right, scientists have thoughts and beliefs as well, obviously. So if the words that we're using are not quite right, they can send our science down the wrong path.
Industry can introduce confusion, doubt, and denial, all using real facts. By simply tweaking valid models and evidence, they can reproduce their own directional biases. Scientific evidence is, of course, important and necessary, but alone is insufficient.
Storytelling is a powerful approach, not just for teaching and for engaging with the general public, but for enhancing the kind of evidence that you gather.
Processes that generate trust, they're inevitably inefficient. But the idea that I want you to think about is that this inefficiency, all these extra steps that complicate the process, they are the price of trust.
It's obvious that opinions need someone to express them. Opinions don't just float free in the blogosphere, but facts also require spokespeople. Who speaks for the facts? Facts do not speak for themselves. They require interpretation, they require framing, they need to be brought to bear and shaped to address the problems they